What's up, everyone? Just doing an unboxing video for the Blink XT2. This is the one camera set, kit, package, whatever you want to call it. This is indoor and outdoor. You can tell by the XT2 and the color black. The indoor only one is the white one. As you can see here, if it focuses, it's got two-way audio, a 2-year battery life, which I will say, with experience with the Ring cameras, the spotlight, stick-up cameras, front door cameras, that all depends on the sensitivity and how much you put all the options and settings to the max. Day and night HD coverage. It is 1080p. It does have night vision, little infrared lights. It does work with Alexa. You can connect it to all your Echo devices. There's no monthly fees, and that's with the 7-day recording capability in the cloud. So every 7 days, I believe it would keep recording over. If you want more history or being able to pull up videos from more than 7 days ago and not any of them get deleted, record over, then you have to get a subscription. But yeah. Okay, so let's go. I already took off the wrapper. Let's unbox it. First thing you see is your little manuals, your setup guide. Thank you for purchasing. It says pull here, which it seems already pulled off. It wasn't even really on there. I hope this isn't a reboxed or used item. I don't know yet. To give you a little Blink XT sticker. There's your little Smart Hub receiver. Does look a little scuffed up. I don't know. I have to inspect it further later on. There's your charger cable for your receiver. Little USB adapter. And here's the XT2 camera, which I'm surprised doesn't have any protective film on the front. No, it does not. Just kind of weird. Doesn't look scratched or anything, but on the back there's a protector, but not on the front. So there's a few marks on it, but no, that's just my fingerprints. And then, let's see, down here you have a few screws, I guess for the mounting bracket, which is this part of it. And here's the other part of it. I guess this goes attached to the back. I'm not going to go over right now how to attach it, how to mount it. Here's the, I believe these are no, these are not rechargeable batteries. These are just Energizer Ultimate Lithium. I have rechargeable batteries, so I'll most likely be using those. I forget the brand of the ones I use, EBC I believe, but they're like 2500 milliamp ones. And then I believe you just pop this open, lift cover off from bottom, and then you just install the batteries. But that's it for the unboxing. I believe that's all we have here, so hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.